How to refer a friend on Temu. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to refer a friend on Temu, open the Temu application on your device first and make sure you are logged in. Now tap on the U option you see in the bottom center. Here you will see the option for earn credits and free gifts. Tap on that. Now you will see various options here. You can tap on any of these options. I will tap on Get Now option in Lucky Flip. Tap on the Start button and you will see the option for Invite New App Users to Flip. Tap on that and you will be led to this type of interface. You can tap on any of these platforms and refer a friend. You can tap on Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, etc. Or you can also tap on copy code and copy the code further and send it to your friends. Or you can also tap on copy link and share it with your friends. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.